What is npm package managers? Understanding the npm and its importance, or how npm installations work, common npm commands, followed by the beware of that in npm risk. We are going to talking one by one. So let's just start. What is npm? A package manager behind the modern JavaScript development for everyone. Understanding npm and its importance. So npm or Node Package Manager is the default package manager for the Node.js application. npm global reach, it's trusted by over 17 million developers. npm help manage JavaScript package effectively. Then how npm installations work? We need to run that in a command, especially you know user runs npm install command, fetch the package, npm retrieve the package from the registry, add to the node module, package add that in project directory, and update the files. Update the package.json files and log file. These are the commands we have. Npm, then install and name of the package you have to pass it. Npm, it will fetch the package from the registry and adds it to that in a node underscore modules. Updates package.json files and log files. So package.json file and log file, I'll be elaborating that in my next videos. How common npm commands are, right? So npm install, npm init, npm audit, npm update, and npm publish. npm install, it will be do the add a new package to your project. npm init, it is a create a new Node.js project, right? npm audit, which will be a scan for the security vulnerability in like in 2025 there is a one bigger vulnerability was done happen. I'll talk on that in like in details. I have already published that in my previous videos. You can check into that. Then npm update, which will be update the outdated dependency, right? And then npm publish, share your one package to that in a registry. As a developer, you can define your one package and then you will publish into the registry so anyone can go and download it. Then beware of that in npm risk and recent past, as I was mentioning that in more than 18 packages were like in like in injected with like in vulnerability. A few of them are like in chalk, stripe, minimist, word wrap, and debug, right? So how to avoid that in a kind of attacking and all? Of course, npm audit you have to do it. Then you have to make your like in library, which versions you are going to use it, and make sure that is a like info or like in from npm registry, and rotate that in a secret, enable two-factor authentications, and use socket dev, right? So these are the in tools and way of protecting that in your account. Let's say if you implement the two-factor authentications, it will be difficult or like in a hard to someone to like in hack that in your user id and password, or like in your credentials, or inject it, because they required the device authentications as well. And npm audit, it will be checked that in all those packages like in valid or not. If anything is injected, it will be give you idea. Sync and socket dev tools, it will be help it out for like in making sure it will be checked that in a vulnerability. If you want to up a skill on that in a Java sites or any technology, software skills or technology skills, Eduarn provide that in training in retail and corporate sectors with expert trainers. Contact on that. There is a multiple trainings followed by the courses recording, and LMS is also offered by the Eduarn. Few of the courses are like in we have like in 100 plus, and few of them you can see core Java mastery in just 99 rupees. You can check out, and this is recorded course. Some of them like group sessions course is there, one-to-one session is there, and this price which will be depend on that in time to time. We have a several offers. We have a refer in Orna as well, so this is the affiliate marketing. If you want to on that in without investing anything, just refer and on it, then you can start it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.